Our second speaker is Terrence McIntosh, the Blacksmith and the Bell. The Blacksmith and the Bell, Terrence McIntosh!
If you're a true baseball fan, you've heard of all the legendary games. From the Babe Ruth point home run to the Buckner era. But the chances are you haven't heard the legend of the Blacksmith and Bell. Fellow Toastmasters, judges, guests, and contest chair. You're about to hear the unsung legend of the Negro League's one and only Sam the Blacksmith McIntosh. And if you notice something, yeah, that's right, he was my grandfather. Born the youngest of 8 boys, he was actually the biggest of all of them. Sam stood 6'4", was 235 pounds of pure muscle. His biceps were so big, you would have swore he had bowling balls in his arms. And was so strong. This guy was so strong that he could shoe a horse without even using a hammer. He would grab that horse by the foot, put the shoe on, wham, with one blow. Earning him the nickname, the Blacksmith. Now this strength would come in handy when he started playing baseball for the Kansas City Monarchs. Folks would travel from miles around just to see him play. Watching him hit was better than eating popcorn. He would hit home runs so far that folks would find that baseball 2 towns over. As a matter of fact, legend has it that in the Negro League championship game of 1948 against the Kansas City Monarchs and the Cleveland Buckeyes, he would have the most legendary game. As he would walk to the plate with the vote of confidence from his fans, yelling, "Blacksmith, Blacksmith," he'd get ready and he'd go up to bat. The first pitch, strike 1. The second pitch, strike 2. He wasn't worried because he knew he would do something special that day. And the third pitch, crack! That ball flew so far and so high you would swear it was a shooting star. As he rounded first, second, he heard the cheers of the fans waving his hat, and when he hit third, boom! What was that? It was the church bell on 43rd Street, 3 miles away. He had actually rung the bell with that baseball. By now the crowd is going insane. And he would do it 3 more times. Well, in the 9th inning, surprisingly, the score was 4-4. The bases were loaded, and Sam was up to bat one more time. We went up there, everybody yelling, "Hit the bell, hit the bell." So he gets ready, and crack! One more time, this time, the crowd is dead silent as he rounds first, second, third, knowing that he had won the game, but the crowd is silent because everybody's waiting to hear it. Boom! There it was. For the 5th time, he had rung the bell. 5 times in a row. And then the Kansas City Monarchs had won the game. Well, this will go down in history as one of the best games ever in Kansas City. But it would also be Sam's last game. You see, that day, he met the love of his life. He found Agnes Cynthia, my grandmother, the woman that he would actually go and marry and raise a family, leaving one love of his life for another, his family, never to play again. Well, years later, for many years, people have actually talked about this story in Kansas City, especially the folks that lived on 43rd Street. So if you're ever in Kansas City, go on over to 43rd Street Baptist Church. Ask someone, ask one of the old locals about how that became the second most famous crack bell in American history. And be ready to hear the legend of the blacksmith and the bell. Mr. Contest Chair.